Hello everyone. Welcome to ACP Civil Hub. In this video, we will understand anchor bolt detail A and learn how anchor bolts connect a steel base plate to a concrete foundation in steel structures. Anchor bolts play an important role in transferring loads safely from the steel column to the foundation while maintaining stability and alignment. Let us first look at the base plate. According to this detail, a 20 mm thick base plate is provided for the steel column connection. The base plate helps distribute the load over a larger area and reduces bearing pressure on the supporting concrete foundation. Now let us understand the anchor bolts. This detail shows 8 numbers of M24 anchor bolts arranged around the base plate. These anchor bolts are installed through holes provided in the base plate and are secured using nuts and washers. The drawing indicates 28 mm diameter holes for the anchor bolts, allowing proper installation and adjustment during erection. The bolt arrangement is designed to provide stability against vertical loads, lateral forces, and uplift forces that may act on the structure. Next, let us review the dimensions shown in the drawing. The base plate width is 250 mm, and the bolt spacing is clearly indicated to ensure accurate positioning during construction. The drawing also shows the base plate level at plus 0.150 meters above finished floor level. Proper positioning of anchor bolts is extremely important because any misalignment can affect the installation of the steel column and base plate assembly. During construction, anchor bolts are fixed in position before concrete casting to maintain the required spacing and alignment. After the concrete gains strength, the steel column base plate is placed over the anchor bolts and secured using nuts and washers. This creates a strong and reliable connection between the steel structure and the foundation. Anchor bolt details such as this are commonly used in industrial buildings, warehouses, steel sheds, and various structural steel projects. Understanding anchor bolt details helps engineers, detailers, and site professionals execute steel structures more efficiently and accurately. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this content useful, please like, share, and subscribe to ACP Civil Hub for more civil engineering and structural engineering knowledge videos.